Hey guys, you can zoom in on this. This is the moon chart, okay? People that want to know for 2017, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, what zodiac the moon is going to be in if you want to strengthen your moon and your lunar node and your shadow self. And what else? Yeah, so also to raise the psychosomatic seed. That's the main thing. Yeah, psychosomatic seed people were asking me about. That's it, okay? Look. All right, if you want to go to the end, October, November, December. December 2nd, it'll start in Gemini, and it'll also end in Gemini. Wow. If that's, no, it's not going to be a full moon in Gemini. But a blue moon is basically when you have 2 full moons in 1 month. Usually the very beginning and the very end. But I did want to talk about something else. Yes, there's going to be good energy, by the way. Neptune and Venus are going to be 72 degrees away from each other, which I think is a biquintal, and it's really, really ingenious energy. And it's going to happen around the first week of July. I think July 1st to like July 2nd, 3rd. So you can use that empowerment of Venus and Neptune. Don't forget, Neptune is a higher octave of Venus. And Neptune's going retrograde also. It's going to be in the middle. Chiron's going to be in the middle. August 18th, I think? 2018, August 18th. Chiron is going to be the major healing of the world. And the major wound of the world, and the wounded healer is Chiron. It's the opposite of Chi-Rho. It's right now it's 28 degrees in Pisces. So on August 18th, it's going to enter Aries at 0 o'clock. Every time that happens, major revolutionary shifts end up happening. And don't forget, we're going to have a big shift also August 21st. There's going to be an eclipse. It's going to take place in Leo because Rahu, North Node, Rahu, is in Leo. Okay, so once this lunar eclipse happens, if you are not in tune with your lunar shadows and your north node and south node of the moon and strengthening with silver, then I'm not going to say bad, but listen, you're not going to be in tune with energies and vibrations of, let's say, the Earth has vibrations, sine wave and cosines, and tangents of a wave, of an ocean. You're either going to ride the wave based on the lunar rhythms, or you're going to get caught in the wave. Okay, this is a cool book right here. Guys, this is how the book looks, Signs and Symbols, okay, by Mark O'Connell and Raj Airy. This is one of the many Signs and Symbol books that I have. It's the one right now that I actually have on me, as opposed to my other place and storage. This has like the best of the best. This is called the Luopan, and it is, it's another wheel. And it's so deep. It goes with every type of energy, from a flower growing to every atom, atomic cell, every rhythm, biorhythm in the world. And it just goes out. You can compare this to everything. It's like the wheel of all wheels. Practitioners of the geometric art of Feng Shui, which means wind and water. So this is air and water. It's also incorporating earth and fire within the ether world. Okay, it uses a circular magnetic compass known as the Luopan. That's it. All right, the Luopan. To locate houses and tombs where the energies are in harmonious balance for good fortune. Dragon lines or dragon currents, which are thought to run through the land, consist of a negative yin current, symbolized by a white tiger, and a positive yang, that's the masculine current, symbolized by the blue dragon. A yin countryside will have gently undulating feminine features, and a yang landscape will have sharp or mountainous male features. I see that. I see what they're talking about. There you go. This is a great book. What else? Yeah, look, a lot of these planets are going to go prograde. 2017, a lot of them were in retrograde. Jupiter, I think, just recently went prograde. That's Jupiter right there. Saturn, I think, is going to start going prograde in December or November. Capricorn's Pluto. Pluto is going to go prograde also this month. No, I'm sorry, this year. Neptune is going to go prograde. Watch, after the eclipse in Leo, and look, Rahu, this is the lunar node, the north node, at the very end of Leo, okay? That's the heart. That's a major shift within